Hello, this is Janne. Every single year the manufacturers of the screens make bigger and newer displays. The display size has been growing all the time and I have always fancied the bigger ones. This video is all about how to get the most out of the big screens. If you like videos concerning about the ergonomics, well-being at the work or health, hit the subscribe button, hit thumbs up or comment down below. Thank you. This particular setup I'm using 32 inches screen in here and 34 inches screen in here. When I close my eyes, get good neutral posture for my back and my shoulders are relaxed. When I open up my eyes, my line of sight would be around in here. I wanted to have the main screen be downwards, because when I'm using this screen and checking the materials from this, I don't want to be tilting my head to backwards. And as long I don't need to tilt my chin to the chest, it's okay to have that kind of height. If I would be using a lot of PDF documents, for example in my work, I would be having smaller display in here. I would get rid of this. Place the 24 or 27 inch screen in here, boom, elevate this bit higher and then get the secondary screen the same height as the main monitor, so it would go down like this. When I would be using the PDF documents, I would grab them in here and place it to the alternative screen and then throw it up. It would put it downwards nicely and easily. So that would be one good recommendation for that. Easiest way to get around in Windows environment, in Windows 10. You can drag the screen what you want to main screen. You can then press Windows button and arrow to left or arrow to right. So it will going to switch the spot of the screen. And after that, when you release the Windows button, then you can see easily what kind of stuff you can also add to screen. For example, I can drop my YouTube account in there. This is the basic stuff what you can do in Windows environment. If you install program Powertoys to Windows environment, then you are able to add also the Fanzy zones. And this is excellent program. There you can launch layout editor. In this top screen I can choose the grids, for example, if I want to. So I want to go with the two-sided screens, so I can do it easily. It will going to have these white marks where you can place the screen, but I prefer to go with 3, so I will going to put that in there. You can also change the space between the screens and distance also, so easy to maneuver in here. If I have these Fanzy zones activated, I can then drop the big screen in here, then press Shift key, then drag it to here. If I want to add another screen, then I can drag it over here, place it in here, and there you can open this window, and then if we want to get the third, it's easy to place like that. So, really easy program to maneuver in Windows environment.